Hello YouTube, this is M65 Game Player and now I'll show you how to make an airplane just like this one that goes
very far and fast.
Okay, that goes very far and fast. So just like this one. So my brother is with me and he will do an airplane just like me. But I will not show you his airplane, only mine. So first we need to take a paper just like this. Fold it in half. And it needs to be very sided like this, so it needs to be very equal. And then do the traditional triangle thing. So fold it just like this. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then fold it like this. Okay, and do the same thing again on the other side. Okay, and then fold it in half, and it needs to be very equal again. And then fold it just like this. And it needs to be equal too. Needs to be equal. And do the same thing on the other side. And then we're done. Okay, so now this is test test one. We'll have two tests. So this is test one. So I'll throw it. So now I'll throw it and I'll see how far it goes. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so about 50 feet tall. And let's go ahead and go to test
Okay,
two. So this is test 2 and I'll try it out and this time I'll throw it stronger and let's see how far and fast it goes. Okay, so this time it went underneath the cupboard, so no difference. The test number 1 and 2 was the same. So thanks for watching and please subscribe, like the video.